Children, today we are here starting with the chapter 15, that is biodiversity and conservation. We know that our earth is rich in diversity and we as human beings are sharing enormous living organism on this planet. So why there is such a large diversity on this earth that so many questions are there in the which the ecologist and biologist and you can say the environmentalist, evolutionary biologist are trying to find out the questions of these answers of these questions. So we are surprised that 20,000 species of ants are approximately there on this earth. 3 lakh species of beetles are there on this earth. 20,000 species of fishes and 20,000 species of orchids are there. So these are some of the examples so that the biologist, ecologist, environmentalist and evolutionary biologist are trying to understand there are so many questions, that's why there are so many species are there on this earth. Did such great diversity exist throughout the history of earth? Why such a how this diversification has come out and why the diversity is so important for the biosphere and why what are the function of this different diversity on this earth and how do human benefit from this diversity of the life. So that means there are so many questions that how this diversity has arisen, what is the importance of diversity, how we can conserve this diversity. So in this chapter we will be discussing that what are the different types of you can say the species are present on this earth. Number one, the species of plants, animal, and in plants, angiosperm, gymnosperm, fungi, pteridophytes, in animals, amphibians, fishes, insects, and even prokaryotes. So how many types of species are present on this earth we will be discussing. We will be discussing the patterns of biodiversity. We will also discuss that what are the causes of the losses of the biodiversity. We will also discuss that how we can conserve the biodiversity and why there is a need to conserve the diversity. So this is the introduction of the chapter which we are going to discuss in this chapter. Thank you.